Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So welcome back, guys. Welcome to the channel in Manchester, place with them call name Newport. Yeah man, so this is the Newport small town area. Yeah man, so you can just take a view of Newport, look at town area, you know. Yeah man, so anyway, just a good look at view of the town area same way. So if you're just stopping by the channel, just like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get some new videos as soon as I upload a video. Yeah man, so I turn back, so let's get a look at view of the town area. And you see this sign that take you to Alligator Pond, Pusey Hill, Woodstock, all them place there. Yeah man, so keep on watching, guys. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid on the tour guide. Yeah man, just click the like button for me, please. So when you're in the Newport area, it's about 15 minutes drive to Mandeville town. So on your left, you have the southwest. That is the Hartrust School. Yeah man, so you have the Hartrust School in a Newport area. So a lot of persons know, so them come at the Hartrust School, come get their different skill. So big up on yourself. You know that school, so you can give the video a big thumbs up, same way, and share and like and subscribe to the channel. On your right, you have the Newport housing scheme area. So when I drive on them road with people, so as you can see, slow truck crossing ahead. So you're gonna be careful of all of them heavy units there. Yeah man, be careful of that, you know. And so when you're in the Newport area, you can see the windmill over in Wigton Wind Farm, that's over very close to Rosehill area. It's Rosehill, as I mentioned a while ago about Rosehill. Yeah man, so in Rosehill is a different type of weather in Rosehill. It's a very cool area. Yeah man, a lot of wind, very cool area in Rosehill. Manchester. So we're having some bumpy ride right now, so enjoy it with Fire Reid. Property for sale. So I'm in the Rhodes Corner area, heading towards Rose Hill. Yeah man, so the Rhodes Corner area, this is my people heading towards Rose Hill. So a lot of persons supposed to hear about the Wigton Wind Farm. So I'm very close to the Wigton Wind Farm. people. So I'm going on a tour same way. As you know, see a lot for sale, a lot of persons want to know about a lot of sale and everything. So so take a tour. It's a lot for sale in the Rose Hill area. Can see, get a nice view of the windmill, so you can know it's a very windy area, so you know, so the weather around here is going to be much different. Yeah, man, so just take a tour, you know. So I'm gonna make a left turn. Hold your car, you know, because you see them person drive on the road. Be careful of them, you know. Yes, daddy, take it easy. So I'm gonna make a right turn. Will take you all to Rose Hill District. This side to find the Rose Hill Primary School. On your left, you have the Rose Hill Primary and Infant School. So thank you for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.